Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this special device here for the fishing friends. Because it's the fishing umbrella. Yeah, you see the right thing. It's only an umbrella. A waterproof umbrella, but it is a large umbrella. And this umbrella is stormproof. It's some fishing accessories and easy to set up. And removable and quick tension and durable with the windows and a cap breathability. That means we have here an umbrella, and this umbrella we can transform to a tent. I think it's more than 10 than an umbrella if you add the side parts to it. Wow, that looks really professional and cool. I think that's a cool thing because we can sit there, have fishing time, or in the summertime we can go under it and protect it against the sun, or of course against the rain. And it's easy to assemble and to transport. The fishing umbrella is easy to set up and easy to transport. This is either for fishermen looking for a practical fishing accessory. The umbrella can also be used as a large umbrella too. And we have a removable umbrella. This fishing umbrella has a removable umbrella too. This umbrella is large, it is storm-proof, and it is a valuable fishing accessory for all kind of sportsmen who want to fish even in adverse weather conditions or under direct sunlight. Yeah, let's go fishing, babe. That's cool, huh? And we have here high quality materials because it is made of high quality materials and therefore it's very durable. It will last many seasons and it is therefore an indispensable fishing accessory for every, of course, fisherman's there. And we have viewing windows because the shade of the windows that allows us to control over our surroundings. This shelter for us, this large umbrella shelter is either for people who wants to keep an overview over nearly everything, because it's easy to set up and easy, of course, to use. This large stormproof umbrella can be easily used as a rain cover for fishing or as an ordinary extra large umbrella too. This is a multifunctional fishing accessory for nearly all people out there who loves fishing, who loves going to nature, or maybe in the garden. The umbrella tent can it close or can be opened as you need it. With good dimensions. We have 8 wrapped umbrella roofs with robust metal ward, and of course we have there 360 degrees removable cap, optimal protection wind rain, and a bendable up to 45 degrees either for sun protection devices. And of course the umbrella itself comes with a 240 centimeter in total. And the height can be up to 220 centimeter, and the diameter is 190 centimeter. It is made out of 100% of polyester. This is extra good weather protection thanks to the water repellent coating. And we have a lot of practical viewing windows in it for the optimal view app, and they close the outside and see what's going on with the other fishermen's nearly for you. For example, maybe they'll get a big fish at you. This here is the fishing umbrella, the waterproof large fishing and sun protecting umbrella with an additional tent materials for outdoor activities. Durable with the windows and the cap. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!